Oh my God, the food is incredible. I'm gonna be so spoiled when I go home. I'm not gonna want to actually cook anything because I know it's not gonna taste as good as what these guys do here. It's just been so like fresh, everything is so fresh. Everything comes from the land, their gardens, their farm, and it's just such a nice feeling because in the States we have this big thing about farm to table dining, and here it's not a fad, it's just a way of life. You just eat fresh and you eat what's available, and it's been so nice.
And the food is amazing, and I was told that there's a cookbook from Blue Osa and I still need to ask for it.
It's fresh. We get different fruits and vegetables from the farm and from the garden. Yeah, it's just on point.
The find is that the quality of the food, farm to table, mostly vegetarian, is actually fantastic.